Network protocol verification. Formal methods for protocol correctness. Ensuring correctness and reliability of network protocols through mathematical modeling and formal verification techniques. What is protocol verification? Let's define it. Protocol verification is a mathematical process to prove that a network protocol behaves correctly under all possible conditions. The purpose of protocol verification is to detect design flaws, prevent security vulnerabilities, and ensure protocol reliability before implementation. Why formal verification matters. Traditional testing has limited coverage and cannot test all possible execution paths and edge cases in complex protocols. Formal verification provides complete coverage and mathematically proves correctness for all possible system states and inputs. Key properties to verify during protocol verification. The first is safety. Nothing bad ever happens during protocol execution. Second, liveness. Something good eventually happens in the protocol. Third, correctness. Protocol achieves its intended functionality. Fourth, security. Protection against malicious attacks and vulnerabilities. Formal methods overview. There are two primary approaches. Model checking is an automated verification method that exhaustively explores all possible system states. Theorem proving is an interactive proof construction using mathematical logic and axioms. Model checking process involves 4 steps. Step 1, model. Create a system model, typically a state machine. Step 2, specify. Define the properties to be verified. Step 3, explore. Check all states automatically. Step 4, result. Obtain either a proof of correctness or a counterexample indicating a failure. Simple protocol example. Let us take a look at a 2-phase handshake protocol. The client sends a request, and the server responds with an acknowledgement, establishing reliable communication. Here is a representation of the state model in code. Initially, the state is idle. If the state is idle, send a request and change the state to waiting. If the state is waiting, receive an acknowledgement and change the state to connected. Temporal logic properties. The safety property can be expressed as always no error, or G, not error. The liveness property can be expressed as eventually reach connected state, or F, connected. Verification tools. Spin is a model checker that verifies Promula models using exhaustive state exploration. TLA+ is a specification language that is used for high-level modeling with temporal logic specifications. COQ is a theorem prover that is used as an interactive proof assistant for mathematical verification. UPPAAL is used for modeling and verification of timed automata. Benefits and challenges of protocol verification. The benefits include complete coverage of all execution paths, early detection of critical flaws, and mathematical certainty of correctness. The challenges include the state explosion problem for large systems, a steep learning curve for formal methods, and time-intensive modeling and verification. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.